Every family has its everyday routines. But what if your home could become a launchpad for the imagination? Meet your AI creative companion, the 5-axis 3D printer that understands your words. TOP.E R1.
Wait, are you saying this one machine does everything we need?
Hey TOP.E, can you make me a super cool helmet?
Sure. Which one do you like?
Wow!
The built-in AI assistant TOP.E turns your wild ideas into print-ready designs. With a multicolor filament system, high printing speed, industrial-grade heating, and large build volume, your masterpiece takes shape right before your eyes. No complex software, no imagination limits.
There has to be a better way to do this.
Absolutely. Try my 5-axis motion system.
Tired of the waste and messy supports? Yeah, us too. The revolutionary 5-axis motion system is enabled by both precise hardware and proprietary software. It dynamically tilts the print bed up to 17 degrees, reducing the need for supports and delivering a cleaner surface.
Perfect. There's so little waste now.
All right. Who's next?
I want to print out my drawing, but I know nothing about CAD.
No problem. Leave it to me.
Whether it's voice, text, or an image, the R1 can turn it into a flawless 3D model. And the best part is, slicing is also done in the cloud, so no computer is needed at all.
No more worrying about gifts now.
I want a toolbox.
I want a unicorn mask.
I'm looking for a basketball.
Okay, no problem.
From little ideas to big projects, create with ease on the TOP.E R1.